Welcome to this tutorial on crafting the perfect Caprese salad, a classic Italian dish celebrated for its simplicity and vibrant flavors. Let's dive into the key components of this culinary masterpiece: ripe tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, basil leaves, extra virgin olive oil, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Begin by delicately layering slices of tomatoes and mozzarella, creating a harmonious blend of colors and textures on your serving platter. Enhance each layer with fragrant basil leaves, adding a burst of freshness to every bite of this traditional salad. A generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil not only elevates the flavors, but also ties all the elements together in a symphony of taste. Season your creation with a sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper, enhancing the natural taste of the ingredients. For a touch of complexity, consider a drizzle of balsamic vinegar, although this step is optional and varies across different interpretations of the Caprese salad. Serve your Caprese salad promptly, allowing the flavors to shine as a delightful side dish or appetizer for your culinary endeavors. To ensure your Caprese salad is a culinary triumph, here are some expert tips to elevate your dish to perfection. Start with top-quality ingredients. Ripe tomatoes and fresh mozzarella are the stars of this dish, delivering unparalleled flavor. Basil, with its aromatic essence, adds a layer of sophistication to the salad. Whether torn or whole, it's a crucial element for an authentic experience. The choice of extra virgin olive oil is pivotal. Opt for a premium quality one to enhance the overall taste profile of your Caprese creation. Seasoning is key. A pinch of salt and pepper can transform a good salad into a remarkable one by balancing the flavors adeptly. When presenting your Caprese salad, remember that aesthetics matter. Arrange the ingredients thoughtfully for an eye-catching visual appeal. Caprese salad is at its prime when savored fresh, capturing the essence of summer in every bite. Enjoy it promptly for a delightful dining experience. Let the simplicity and elegance of Caprese salad transport you to the heart of Italy, where each bite tells a story of tradition and culinary finesse. Embrace the art of Italian cuisine with this timeless recipe that celebrates the beauty of fresh ingredients and the joy of shared meals with loved ones. Craft your own Caprese masterpiece, a symphony of flavors and textures that embodies the essence of Mediterranean culinary artistry. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. May your Caprese salad creations always be a testament to the beauty of simplicity and the richness of Italian gastronomy. Stay tuned for more delectable recipes and culinary inspirations. Buon appetito!